Hey guys, I'm here today with another Quilty Box. This is September's Quilty Box. It's a little late. They were a little behind getting them out. But I got it today. And I did have a little break, so I didn't get one for 3 months. So let's dig in and see what's in here. I decided to take a little break because I hadn't been feeling well, and I've got like a gazillion boxes to make up. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is a bundle of inspiration. Featuring Flory and Finch. There. And here's a little something from Patrick. And here's Linda Fitch and Vanessa Laurie Stevens of Flory and Finch. And here's some Q&A about them. And here's Mariposa Sky, designed by Flory and Finch. Super cute. Love the butterflies. And the blocks look very easy to make. And here is the Mariposa Sky color card. Love the colors and designs. It gives all the directions on how to make this. The butterflies look like they are applique. And here's some information on how to clean and restore your cutting mat. Color palettes inspired by nature. Quilt for Kids. You can get a Quilt for Kids box. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in that. And let's see, it is Quilt for Kids is one of our favorite charities. We love them so much that we donate 5% of our multi-month subscription proceeds to support their efforts. And we want to be sure that you know about this organization and how your efforts can support their mission too. There's a little bit of that. You can read more about that on the website. They have the classic Quilty Box. Let's see what this says. Introducing the Quilty Box Mini. Enormous value, petite price. Full-size charm pack from one of the newest fabric collections. And then our featured, or the subscriber spotlight is Elaine White. And a sneak peek of next month's featured quilter is Carrie Bloomston. So let's get into the box. September 2018, Flory and Finch. So here we go. We're going to start with the thread because it is so pretty. It's a metallic pink thread. It says Wonderfill Spotlight Thread. Add some glamour to your quilting with this 40 weight rayon core metallic thread from Wonderfill. And it retails for $4.99. And there's the other side. Love that. And then we have a blade from Olfa. Cuts twice as long, 45 millimeter. Olfa Titanium 45 millimeter Endurance Blade. The Olfa Titanium Endurance Blade retains its cutting edge 2 times longer versus standard blades. This blade is compatible with all current Olfa 45 millimeter cutting handles, including the Pink Splash rotary cutter that was included in our April Quilty Box. That retails for $12.99. And then, get that out of the way, we have the fabric. We have a mini cutting mat. Olfa Mini Cutting Mat is a must-have for extending blade life and protecting cutting surfaces. 6x8 cutting mat is also a convenient option for traveling. That retails for $4.99. In the back, it's the same as the front. There's not like any kind of padding on the back. So there's that. And let's see, we also have a pattern here. This is for the butterflies to make the applique. So that is cool. It says, I'm guessing this is maybe $10. It says Mariposa Sky, so I'm not sure if that's this or the fabric. I think that is the $10, and here is the fabric. I like that they used this instead of, because I can use this for other projects instead of some of those ribbons. So these are, it's a fat quarter bundle, blossom batiks and sweet something fabric bundle. This fat quarter bundle blossoms with its incredible colors and designs. This beautiful line of batiks includes rich pinks, vibrant blues, and soft pastel greens, and it's a $38 value. And it's got metallic in there. That's pretty. There's the batik. Love batiks, my favorite. And this is shiny pink, or shiny silver dots. Metallic, I should say. There's another batik. Oh, that's cute. There's that one. Another batik. I don't know what it is with batiks I love so much. And there's the light pink. I think, yeah, light pink and silver metallic. And there's the back side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of fabric in a fat quarter. So that is everything. It's not a huge box, but it goes by value, not by amount of items. So that is everything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And I will put a link down below to the boxes. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.